In our grain cart here, we have our moisture sensor. We've chosen to mount it on the grate at the bottom of the sump. You notice you want to make sure that this sensor here, as Brady said earlier in the video, we need 2 minutes of grain flow past the sensor to get an accurate moisture reading. We chose to mount it in the center of the sump where the auger removes the grain from the hopper. That way we can get the most amount of grain flow past our sensor. From there, we've routed the cable along the grating and up to our auger. Notice we have our gate door here, which moves and opens and closes. We want to make sure that this doesn't catch in any of the moving parts, so we've opted to route it along there and up along the cylinder and the hose. And we had to drill a hole in the side of there where the hydraulics go through to run our wiring through there. It does come with a grommet. I would recommend also putting some silicone on the back side there just to seal it up for like wheat applications or maybe canola or whatever else you're using. Small grain crops that can seep through there, I would recommend siliconing that. But that's the install of our moisture sensor. It can be installed in other places. It can be installed on the auger itself. It can be installed on the clean out door. There's multiple places, there's multiple locations to install it. We just chose to put it in the sump here as it was the easiest with the least amount of cutting and drilling.